Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy iPad 11th generation, but there is no good offer. Even in Christmas sale, there is no such good offers. Flipkart and Amazon are quietly selling products in Christmas sale, but they are not advertising any kind of sale. So this is not the right time to buy iPad 11th generation. On Amazon.in, the current price is 34,000 rupees and you will get 2,000 rupees cash back with SBI credit card. So the effective price will be 32,000 rupees. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE or S10 FE Plus, in that case also the offer is not good enough. So I think you have to wait till the next sale begins, and that sale will be Republic Day sale that will occur in the month of January 2026. If you are planning to buy Redmi Pad Pro, in that case you should wait for few days because Redmi Pad Pro 2 is launching on January 6th 2026. So I think that will be a very good tablet, but the initial price point will be very high, so you have to wait few days to get the price down. But ultimately it is for tablet users. Many tablets are coming to the market. Even OnePlus has launched OnePlus Pad Go 2, but the price is on the higher side. For the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, you have to pay around 27,000 rupees. I would rather suggest you to buy OnePlus Pad 2 because that will give you more value for money proposition. Many people are asking me about the best price of iPad Air M3. Actually, the best price of iPad Air M3 is 42 to 43,000 rupees maximum. Don't buy this tablet right now. Currently its price is around 53,000, which is very high. So in the conclusion, you should wait till another sale, maybe Republic Day sale, to get the best discounts on tablets. Right now the price is very high, so it is not recommended to buy any tablet right now. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy any tablet or not, and if you have any questions you can ask me. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.